This is the story of a river's journey. The river has three main parts called courses, the first one being the higher course. The river starts up in the mountains at the source. This is where little trickles of water join together to form a stream. This is a valley, a V shape in the mountain where the river cuts through. It is formed by erosion where the river cuts away at the land at the side. It can appear in any of the three courses, but most commonly in the higher course. What happens at a waterfall is quite self-explanatory. It's quite simple. Water falls. After the higher course comes the middle course. These are meanders. This is where the river begins to curve and curve until the curves knock into each other. When this happens, the rivers take the shorter route, leaving the longer route as a remnant. When this happens, the remnant is called an oxbow lake. I have this diagram that might increase your understanding of how oxbow lakes are formed. All big rivers have tributaries, which are smaller rivers that join onto the main river. The part where they join is called a confluence. Lastly is the lower course. A delta is where the river begins to split up into multiple parts. The penultimate part of the river is the estuary. This is where the salty water from the sea combines with the fresh water from the river. Lastly is the mouth. This is where the river empties out into the sea, and also where our story ends.